Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Trigonometric Function Exercise 3.2 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric ratios. They have given tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, which lies in the second quadrant. First let me draw the quadrants. This is your first, this will be your second, third and fourth. All silver teacups. I asked you to remember this, all silver teacups. Here everything will be positive. Here sine will be positive. Here tan will be positive. Here cos will be positive. The reciprocals will also be positive in this case. They have given this is in the second quadrant. So your x value is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, we know that only sine and cosecant are positive, the rest angles are all negative. The next and the rest trigonometric functions are all negative. So we can easily say it, other than sine and cosecant, everything will be in minus sign. Now we need to find the other side what is not given. They have given tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. This is opposite by adjacent. So draw a right angle triangle in which they have given opposite and adjacent. We need to find the other side, that is the hypotenuse side, because opposite and adjacent we have filled it. It's a Pythagorean triplet 5, 12, 13. If you don't know, you can do this by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two squares. So here it becomes 25 plus 144. Which is nothing but 169. So hypotenuse is equal to root 169, which is nothing but 13. So hypotenuse will be 13. So this side will be 13. Now we can write all the other trigonometric ratios. Sine, its reciprocal cosecant, cos is reciprocal secant, then tan, its reciprocal cot. For sine it is opposite by hypotenuse. So 5 by 13, as I told before, it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant are positive, the rest will be negative. So we can easily fill the other trigonometric ratios of negative sine. Now cosecant is nothing but the reciprocal of this, so 13 by 5. For cos it is adjacent by hypotenuse, so minus 12 by 13. Here it's reciprocal 13 by 12. For tan it is opposite by adjacent, so 5 by 12. Here 12 by 5, it's reciprocal. So I have filled everything. That's all with the sum. Thank you.